Welcome to the Flats at Northside by Pulte Homes, a vibrant community where you can enjoy the freedom of carefree living with an easy, lock-and-go lifestyle. This new condo residence community in Potomac, Maryland offers you an exciting new home opportunity as you embark on your next chapter in life, where you can have more freedom to spend time with the people you love and doing more of what's important to you. At Pulte, we build our homes with you in mind. Every inch was thoughtfully designed to best meet your needs, making your life better, happier, and easier. Our upscale condo residences are low maintenance and located in elevator buildings, so stairs are a thing of the past. Choose from a 2 or 3 bedroom condo thoughtfully designed to incorporate versatile living and entertaining space for guests. Enjoy upscale features and finishes, and even more importantly, peace of mind and relaxation. Located just footsteps from Park Potomac, you will have access to many upscale shopping and dining options, such as Founding Farmers, Palma Thai, and more. Also nearby is Tower Oaks, where you can enjoy a special date night at Clyde's. By living at the Flats at Northside, you'll have more time to get outside and enjoy the area's trails, outdoor space, golf courses and recreational activities, and nearby fitness centers. Orange Theory is located at Park Potomac, and the community is located right by Lifetime Fitness. With your new and easy lock-and-go lifestyle, you can spend more time enjoying the things you love. The Flats at Northside offers an easy, carefree lifestyle, allowing you to relax and focus on your next adventure.